Guys, it's J and welcome to JKCrafts. Today I will be doing another slime battle. This time it's not really slime. So we have my homemade dough. So if you watched my how to make homemade cookies, like fake cookies, then this is the exact mixture that I used. But now I didn't turn them into cookies. And then these two are my cousin's homemade slimes. So yeah. So let's get ready to make stuff. First, you get some shampoo of your choice. Then you put it in any container that you want, and you kind of just mix it. You can add color if you want. Then you slowly add in flour. So add in a little bit and mix until smooth. Then add in a little bit, mix till smooth. And keep doing that. Then it will become a soft dough. So that's how I made these two. I call this one guacamole because it has little itty bitty like green beads. And this one is just like blue. So yeah, let's start. So first I'll be showing you the guacamole one. Here it is. It's kind of just really soft. And it looks like guacamole to me. That's why I call it guacamole dough. So yeah. And happy Thanksgiving. It's not slimy. It's just like really soft and doughy. And if you watched our clay cookies video, this is the exact same dough recipe. But this time it's just dough and I didn't make it into cookies. So yeah. So there is that. Okay, now I'll be showing you the blue dough. Here it is. So let's get right to it. So here it is. It's really soft. And yeah. So this dough isn't really like slime. It's just more of a dough. It's not stretchy at all. And you could play with it all you want. Oop. A few of the guacamole beads fell out. So yeah, here's the blue dough. So there it is. Now we'll be moving on to the slimes. Here's the first one. It's a pretty pinkish color. And it has some flakes, some iridescent flakes. So it's really stretchy. And yeah, just looks pretty. So there's the next one is this kind of bluish color slime. My cousin made it without beads, but I added some beads to it, so it would be like a party slime. So here it is. It's really fun to play with. It's really, really stretchy. And yeah. So there are these star beads, these regular beads, the flower ones. There are, there are a lot of different kinds of beads in it. And it's really soft and really fun to play with. And it's really shiny, so yeah. I think it's iridescent glitter. So yeah. Okay, did you like the slime better or the dough? Comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!